Hey everyone, let's see how do we configure a Python interpreter in Pycharm. Let's say that you have already opened an existing project and on the top it says no Python interpreter configured and you can click on this configure Python interpreter here. But if it doesn't show you anything here, you can come down on the right bottom. You will see an option called no interpreter. You can click on that and select add new interpreter. So once you do, you can select the add local interpreter and then the interpreter settings will open. You can select virtual environment or system interpreter or anything. I am going with system interpreter. If you click on this arrow here, it will show you all the interpreter options available. I am going to select Python 3.12. You just need to select it and say OK. So it will load the interpreter for you. So this is how we add Python interpreter in Pycharm. So once the interpreter is added, you should now be able to run your code.